We're displaying 2 of our 4 Porta-Botes. Behind me I have the 8-foot Pacific Pearl. To my left I have the 10-foot Duck Hunter Green Porta-Bote. We also manufacture a 12-foot and a 14-foot Porta-Bote. People laugh, but they fold. When people start to seriously think about these boats, they change from laughter to amazement. They fold up to the size of a surfboard. There's no trailering required. There's no boat ramp required. You can go boating anywhere there's water. They float in 4 inches of water. They're made of a polypropylene copolymer, virtually indestructible. Incredible stability. I could go on. Let me know. What do you want to know? You can row them, you can sail them, you can motor them. You can jump in and swim and climb back in. You can stand up in them. You can lean over the side to pull a fish in. There's drink holders in the seats.